Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Zelle to Sofi. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy guide on how to send money from Zelle to Sofi. So the first thing to do is to launch the Sofi mobile app and log into your account. Then from there, you have to also access the Zelle. Then tap on the Zelle card located in your banking account overview screen. Then from there, you have to navigate to the transfer and pay. So in the main menu, select transfer and pay, then choose the send money with Zelle option. Then after that, you have to select or add a recipient. So choose a contact from your mobile device or manually enter the recipient, which is a US mobile number or an email. Then after that, you have to input the amount you wish to send and include an optional note, which is not really important. And after that, you have to confirm the transaction details and tap on send. Then the recipient will receive notification via their email or text message if they are already enrolled with Zelle. The fund will typically be available within a minute, and that's how they can simply send money from Zelle to Sofi. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.